Hey everyone, it's Lisa from Epic Yarn Gems. I'm going to be doing another quick giveaway today. I hope everybody had a good Thanksgiving yesterday, and it probably was a little different than past Thanksgivings, but I hope that you were able to enjoy your family and friends or however you celebrate. So we have been doing some painting in my house. And doing painting, you have to store all of your furniture and everything else, or we also had some carpeting replaced. So this is my craft room with all my yarn, and you can see that I really can't get to a lot of my yarn. So in here you can see some of my yarn. You can also see a whole bunch of stuff that is stacked up. This room I do use to just keep my yarn and to take some pictures of my finished objects. But I'm going to be doing a little giveaway. You're probably going, why are you showing me this yarn room? If you see that yarn winder, I highly recommend that one. I had another one, but it didn't work as well. Anyway, back to the giveaway. So I'm going to do something a little different this time. In the past, what I've done is I've picked out the yarns, or I've had my son pick out the yarns, and those are the ones that I've included in my giveaway. For this one, what I'm going to do is it's going to be a bit of a mystery, and it'll be a mystery until I pick the winner. And what I would like for you to put in the comments is what color or colors of yarn you like, because what I will be doing is I will be sending you 5 skeins of yarn in the color that you mention or colors that you mention in your comments. Also, whoever the winner is, when I ask for your mailing address, the other thing I'm going to ask you is if there are any yarns or any fabrics that you're allergic to, such as wool, because I will not select yarns if you're allergic to something in there. So, all right, that's the giveaway. So what I need for you to do is leave me a comment with your favorite color or colors, and that's it. And then I will use the random comment selector on December 4th, which I believe is next Friday, to select a winner. Then what I am going to do is down in the description I will put all the rules to enter. One being you have to be 18 years or older to win. You have to be able to, or your country has to be able to accept this type of mailing. I would not be responsible for any duties or taxes once it leaves my possession. I am not affiliated with YouTube or any of the yarn companies that I may send you the yarn for. Let's see. I know there's your entry must comply with all of the YouTube rules and regulations, and I'll put a link down to that. Other than that, I think that's it. So, again, leave me a comment with your favorite color or colors, and come back on December 4th to see if you're the winner. As always, peace, love, and happiness to you all, and stay safe out there. Take care.